Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sierra if you're new here. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Ipsy sent me over their glam bag and their Glambag Plus for November, so I'm going to go over those and show you what I got in mine. Super excited to go over these. I actually haven't been subscribed to Ipsy in a really long time, so I'm kind of excited to see how they've improved over the years. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in my November Ipsy Glam Bag and Glambag Plus, just keep watching. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, you probably do if you're already watching this video, but if you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a makeup subscription service where you can pay a certain amount of money to get a bag with makeup or like beauty products in it. Here is the November Glam Bag. This is really pretty. I absolutely love these neutral tones right here. It's so gorgeous. It's $12. You're gonna get 5 deluxe beauty size products inside, and you're gonna get at least $50 worth of product. The product is gonna be different for everybody. If you go on their website, you can like scroll through and it'll show you all of the different products that they're gonna be giving away that month in the bags, and you will have a variation of 5 of those, and you also get to choose one product. So if you go into your account, you can choose one product that you're going to be getting inside your bag. But yeah, let's just open it up and see what I got. First little thing I got right here is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer Cream. I haven't used this before. Glow Recipe has sent me a lot of their products. I have a big jar of this and I absolutely love it. It feels so great on the skin. It's very moisturizing, and I always use it like before I go to bed, and when I wake up in the morning my skin is really hydrated. So really happy to get like a miniature size of this. This would be perfect if I ever go on vacation again to take with me. I love these like little small travel sizes. But if you smell it, it smells like banana candy. Have you ever had those like little, I think they're like sweethearts, or I don't even remember what they're called, but they're shaped like bananas. That's what it smells like. Or like banana cream pie. So good. Glow Recipe is like one of my favorite skincare brands. I absolutely love their watermelon sleeping mask. Oh, so amazing. It smells so good, and every time I use that, I like put it on right before I go to bed, and when I wake up I am just like glowing like a goddess. It is amazing. I've been through several jars. They're really good. So really happy to get something from Glow Recipe. Let's go in here. Let's see what else I got. So this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Moon Jelly. I do already have this. When I was added to the ABHPR list, they sent me like a lot of their lip glosses, and that was one of the ones that I got. So since I do have this mini one, I'll put it in a giveaway here in the future. I'm going to be doing a really big like holiday giveaway here pretty soon. So if you're not subscribed, I definitely recommend subscribing now so that you guys can stay tuned for that holiday giveaway that I'm going to be doing. This is a pretty color. It's not like my favorite color. It's like a fluorescent, like opal kind of color. Let me open it up and show you real quick. It's like really glittery. It's like fluorescent kind of opal or duochrome. I don't know what you would really call it. It's still a really pretty shade. Actually great if you want to put it like on a lip topper. So like on top of another lip color. Give it a nice shimmery look. So far I'm like really impressed. I actually went over, I got October's bags too, but I just went over those on my Instagram instead of doing an actual video here on YouTube, and I was really impressed with the products that I got. When I subscribed like years ago, I was getting good products and I loved trying them, but I just wasn't getting like name brand products like Glow Recipe or Anastasia Beverly Hills. I wasn't like super impressed, so I canceled my subscription and I just never really like resubscribed. But now that they're sending me their glam bags every month, I am like really impressed with the products that I've gotten so far. Even in October's glam bags, I was really impressed with what I was getting. So they have definitely improved over the years. Once I'm done with this video, I'm going to go ahead and kind of tally everything up and see how much everything costs for the size. I'll tally all of these up and see how much they cost, and then show you how much my bag was actually worth. So another product that I got is the Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. Oh, this is cool. Is it like a hydrating lip oil? I'm actually not seeing this listed in the section on the Glam Bag. So let me just check real quick on their website and see if this might have actually been for the Glambag Plus. Yes. Okay, so it says that this Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil is actually supposed to be in the Glambag Plus. So somebody accidentally put this in my Glam bag. Okay, I see what happened here. So this brush right here, this Perfect 10 NOTD brush, I'll show it to you in a second, was actually meant to go in this bag right here, and I don't think it fit, so they didn't put it in, and somehow this lip oil actually was put in here. So I know this said was supposed to go in the actual glam bag, but it's not. It's supposed to go in the Glambag Plus, and once I'm done with this bag, I'll show you that right there. Just forget about that lip oil for a minute and start thinking about this brush. So here is this makeup brush. It's very soft and very fluffy. Feels really good against the skin. It's the Perfect 10 MOTD brush. Oh, I already got makeup on it because I just rubbed it against my skin. But it's really soft. It's really fluffy. I could use this to blend out some contour, or I'm sure I'll find some uses for it. I did not pay for these. They were sent to me by Ipsy, so I'm not entirely sure what your bag like comes with if you actually pay for the subscription, but I wish that they put like a piece of paper in there that kind of showed you like what's in your bag, how much it costs, and then a little bit like a description on what the product is. I don't see that in like their PR version, so I'm not sure if the actual subscription comes with that. If it does, I'm sure a lot of you guys have Ipsy subscriptions. Let me know in the comments if that comes with the bag. Ooh, all right. So this is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse Facial Cleanser. Absolutely love this cleanser. So I would say Tatcha and Glow Recipe are probably like two of my favorite skincare brands. It's really hard to choose because I have so many skincare products that I love. Like, I'm a skincare junkie, so it's really hard to say that. But I absolutely love Glow Recipe and I love Tatcha. They have great skincare products, and this is one of my favorite facial cleansers. This is perfect too because if I ever travel, it's like the absolute perfect size to take. All right, the last product that I have in here is a mascara. This is the Ico London Rock Out Lash Out Mascara. Let's open it up and see what the wand looks like. So it's more like thin at the bottom and kind of fluffy at top. I do have lashes on right now already, so I'm not gonna test this out. So actually, a lot of the products that I did receive are products that I have tried before, but I do know that I love them, so I am happy that I got them. I have not tried this mascara before, so this will be good to test out here pretty soon. You never can have too many mascaras, so excited to test this. So the November Glam Bag from Ipsy is a huge win for me. I absolutely love all of these products, at least the ones that I've tried I know that I love. So getting little miniature sizes is a huge win to have those in my little collection of skincare. $12 for all of this is a really good deal. You have some great name brands in here. I mean, Tatcha and Glow Recipe and Anastasia Beverly Hills itself just is enough for this entire bag. So really like what I got. Here is the November Glam Bag Plus. As you can see, the regular Glam Bag comes with like a little compact makeup pouch, while the Glam Bag Plus comes with a drawstring bag. It looks exactly the same as the November Glam Bag. So they're like little sisters. So the Glam Bag Plus comes with 5 full-size beauty products in it. You're gonna get at least $125 worth of product for $25 a month. And if you sign into your account, you can choose 3 of the products out of the 5. This is the lip oil that I was talking about before. So this is meant to be in the Glam Bag Plus. I'm gonna open it up and see what it smells like. It's kind of like a peachy color to it. Ooh, it has like a candy smell to it. Oh, it smells, actually, what does it smell like? It smells, I know exactly what it smells like. If you've ever been to Maui, have you tried the Maui Secret tanning lotion? That's what this smells like, the oil. That's exactly what this smells like. Oh, it smells so good. I wish I was in Hawaii right now. So it seems like it's supposed to be a lip oil, but kind of like a gloss at the same time with a really sheer tint to it. And then also give you kind of like a hydrating effect. I also got some makeup brushes. This says Be Beautiful, Be You by Farrah, and there are 5 different makeup brushes in here. I don't think I'm actually going to open this. This would be good for a giveaway in the future. I have a lot of makeup brushes, so don't really necessarily need any more right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna open these and touch them and let you know how they feel. I'm gonna use them in a giveaway in the future. But that's pretty cool. You get 5 makeup brushes, and I'm not entirely sure how much this costs. Again, I will put all of that at the end of the video to tally up and let you know how much my bag was worth. I also got it says Good Vibes Mascara, Curler, and Lash Enhancing Mascara. Huh. Oh, that's fancy. So it's a cool little gadget. I don't know how well it works, but that's pretty cool. It has this little contraption right here where you push it and it can curl your lashes. And then on the opposite side is you have a mascara. That's pretty cool, nifty. This is a Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow palette and pressed pigment palette. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is gonna be great for fall. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is the 6-pan eyeshadow palette. That coral is really gorgeous, but all of these shadows would be good for fall time right now. So this is some more product from Farrah. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I've never heard of this brand before, actually. It's the same brand that has these makeup brushes, but these are, let's see, matte liquid lipsticks. It says vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, lead-free, beeswax-free. Okay, this is free of a lot of things. No animal ingredients and not tested on any animals. That's really good. But these shades are so beautiful. So I got the shade Farrah and Tiffany and Cocoa. I think I'm gonna keep these two and maybe, I don't know, gosh, I love lips, so I might have to keep all of these. The last product in my bag is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I've never tried this before. Let me see what it smells like. It doesn't actually really have a smell to it. It's a very, ooh, crap. Look what I did. Oh no. Do not tip it over. I repeat, do not tip it over. It is a very liquid moisturizer, but it feels really good. I'm putting it on my hand right now. It feels very hydrating. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's everything that I got in my Glam Bag and Glambag Plus for November. If you guys have any questions about Ipsy, let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Or go ahead and just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Ipsy, if you tried it before, or if you got anything in your bag or you're getting something in your bag this month that you're excited to try. Let me know. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to this video a thumbs up if you liked it and press the subscribe button down below. I would really love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And if you want to, you can go ahead and check out my other social media channels. I have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're waking beneath